Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to create your thumbnail or channel art for YouTube channel for free. So let's begin with the video. So after opening up the Google, you have to type a URL which is Snappa. After typing the URL Snappa, you got a lot of websites over here. So you have to click on the first one, which is the official website of the Snappa. Here online you can create any type of social media post, any type of pic. You can make thumbnail for your YouTube channel. You can just make a channel art or YouTube end screen. A lot of options you got over here. So right now I'm gonna make a YouTube channel art for you guys. So let's begin. So then you got a lot of templates and a lot of templates over here. So if you want to choose anyone that that suits you, so you can choose it from here if you like it. Otherwise you can just create a one. You can create from scratch. So let's create from scratch. Of course, I don't know that I have any pic in my computer. I will check it. If I have, then I will create from scratch. Otherwise, I will just go with the featured templates. So here you got your page open up, and here says add a background or a graphic picture to get started. So you are gonna click over here, and then you can search photos. You can Patras uploads. You can upload your video by clicking over here and clicking on the upload an image. So right now I don't know I have any pic over here. Actually I don't have. So let's give and upload any photo from here that you like. You can search here just as gaming or tech. So yeah, here you got gaming. As you got a gaming over here, you can get a lot of tablets like gaming tablets. So look at these, you got a lot of them. So you can choose anyone which better suits you. And then you got over here, you got your area where you can add some other pictures with this pic. Also you can type and add the text that you want to add it over here. So let's add a effect. Should it be blue or like here green, blue? Which color do you want to pick? You can pick them up like that, or you just want to have a blue. So let's go with the black one, or you can just choose the one that was before by clicking on Control plus Z. So you can darken, you can blur the image over here. So let's blur it. I don't know how to blur it, but let's see. You see guys, this is the pic that you have not uploaded. This is pic that was made. It was present already. So you can't just blur it or darken anything over here. So let's leave this. You can add a subheading and you can add a text inside it. So let's add a subheading over here, and then over here you can add a text that you want to add. So you can add it over here by you can choose any writing that you want. So you can choose the lightning, you can blur it off, you can offset, you can choose the colors, you can write subscribe to my channel, and a lot of things over here. So that you got a lot of shapes also. You can add a lot of shapes. Then how will you save it? You will save by clicking over here or clicking on the download, but I'm gonna save my pic and another way. So let's click over here. You can click on save as, or you can click on Control plus S, print it right directly from here, and then you can click on download, web optimize, line right on that and that stuff. So I'm gonna use this one. Download your image. Just a moment, will generate your image, then they will generate, and your download should be started in a moment. And here you go, it has been started. So you can see in the show in folder, yeah, here it comes. So let's open it up, and then you got your image over here. There's a great image. You can add your text over here by if you want to add more. So guys, this is a great website. You can try this website out. You can make any thumbnail, any channel art, any photo that you wanna upgrade, or you wanna edit any photo. So you guys would be wondering that what is the format, what is the size of the pic of the channel art. So here it is what is the size. It is 250/60 into 140 into 40, 14 into 40. So here you can resize it, duplicate. Over here it is written, so you can do anything that you want to do with the pic. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, click the like button, share my videos, click the notification bell, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.